Hey guys, welcome on back. I'm going to go ahead and give you some directions for March 19th and March 20th so that you know where you're supposed to be going. Now, notice I'm in Canvas and I'm looking at my course cards. I'm going to pick Language Arts 7C, so that's your first step. Now, once you click on that, you're going to see your home page, and it may look like this, it may not. What I'd like you to do is go into modules. So if your page does not look like this is not what you're seeing, then you need to click on modules, go in there, and the first thing that I want you to take notice of is your resources page. Now when you log in there, you're going to see that the whole Freak the Mighty book is scanned in, so you can access it there. And there is also an option if you want to download the book to your cell phone or some other device. You can click there, click at the bottom here, open it, and then you can actually download it by clicking that down arrow there and then deciding where you want to place it. So those are totally up to you on how you want to approach that. But now let me get to the other part. So we're going to go back for just a minute. So let's back the truck up. And we're going to scroll down and go to lesson 8. Now notice it is labeled Thursday Learning. Now I'm going to try to do this for you each week, put in parentheses each day's learning so you know which day you're on. Okay, so Freak the Mighty, lesson 8, Thursday's Learning. Click on that. And you're going to see this web page here, or this Canvas page rather. So on this Canvas page, you're going to see task 1 is to read the daily learning targets. There are 2, so please look those over, read them. Very important, so you know what you're focusing on for that day as far as the essential standards. And then task 2, you're going to be learning about stereotypes. There's a video here. If we click on that video, it's going to open this up. And it's a pretty interesting video about labels and stereotypes. So you're going to start there, read about what a positive stereotype is, a negative stereotype. And then there's a couple of other tasks. There is a video for this task which outlines that, so I'm not going to take time to cover it. Then you've got some chapter reading and then some discussion questions, or reading questions rather, that are going to be taken as part of a quiz. And you should do that immediately after you finish the reading and to take the quiz. You just click on that blue link and then this opens up. Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing. And once again, you need to access modules first. Your resources page with the book is there, and then the learning for lesson 8 is here, and then for lesson 9 on Friday it's there. Okay guys, good luck, and please make sure to get your work turned in on time. Anything that has a due date on Canvas, you need to pay attention to those due dates and get your work submitted, once again, on time. Okay, good luck to you, and please stay healthy.